Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video. I'll give you a quick update of what's going on in our Lego studio and why all this is here. Brent's not going to be joining us for this video because he's in school. I just wanted to give everyone a quick update because we've promised for quite a while that we were going to... Oh my goodness, what happened? A Lego City table update. There's no Lego City. What happened to it? Okay, well... we've run into some problems and we are trying to reorganize it. We're kind of starting over. We cleared this table off after having all kinds of Lego sets on it. We never really had it set up the way we wanted to show it to you. So we did something different. So let me tell you real quick as an update of what's going on here at the Lucas TV Toys Studios. See all those? Those are Lego sets we have not built. And then down here we haven't built. And down here, there's just not enough time in the day. Really when it comes down to it. So we have all these great plans. And check out this old set we got. I want to show everyone this. We haven't built this yet, but this would be kind of fun. This is a retired set. We got this Lego Kingdom set. Pretty cool. Amusement park. We have all kinds of plans to do an amusement park. And some of the coolest sets that we've never built. Like this Ghostbusters one. This is going to go in our Lego City. So here it is. We're trying to figure out how to do this layout. It's not really working. So we're going to have to, you're going to have to, hold on a little longer for those who want to see the next Lego City update. Because we are going to make progress on this, I promise, but it's just not enough room here. So here we are. You're getting a real cool behind-the-scenes look at the Lucas TV Studios. We've built shelves not only here, but in Brent's room. We've got lots of shelves there with Lego sets, but those are full. So in the Lego Studio, we do stop motion right there. We're in the midst of a project right now. We move the Disney Castle there. All this under here has to go. All has got to go. A lot of stuff under there is not even Legos. I said Legos. Ooh, blasphemy. Lego. All right. Anyway, for the diehards. All right. So anyway, that's going to give me room to move a lot of these boxes under this area. And I'm actually probably going to move this table against this wall too. I don't know. But it's right now it's easier to work with it when I can walk around here and get on this side. And then I can go around here and get on that side. That's why this is not against the wall. But it'll help to, get a little progress and then move it. Anyway, so then we're going to get these sets, because a lot of these sets we don't want to take apart, and we're going to put it up there on I'll put a little sheet down or a little support down so I can literally just set the finished sets on there and get them out of our way so we can get back to building. Because right now this is our sacred Lucas TV Toys tablecloth, basically. That's what we call it. And this is where Brent does all his videos and builds the sets. So, like I said, it's real behind the scenes. So before I go, I want to show you something really cool that you may not know. If you go buy a Pick-a-Brick at a Lego store, don't forget to ask to get these. They'll give you these and the wheels. Right? They'll give you maybe a bunch of them. I've gotten as much as 6 of them. So they'll give them to you for free when you buy that. If you don't ask, chances are they won't say anything. But, these are, you usually find these without the wheels outside the Lego Disney Springs store where you race them. You build whatever you want outside, and then you get it on the racetrack. And you race with other kids and so forth. So Brent and David love to do the racing at the Lego store. But you can actually take those home if you buy a Pick-a-Brick bucket. And it doesn't matter if you buy a tall one or a small one. They'll give them to you. Anyway, that's a quick update for this midweek Lucas TV Toys update. So stay tuned. Watch for more Lego builds, stop motion videos we're going to try to get to and finish and upload, and also just an update on Lego City. Other interesting things, if you didn't see our opening day, it was actually 2 days before opening at the Lego Movie World at Legoland. Go check out that video. That was a lot of cool behind the scenes look. We got in there 2 days before they opened on a special invitation. It was really cool, Legoland, to give us an opportunity to do that. And it was a lot of fun. So check out that video and stay tuned for more great Lego content. See you in another video. Bye-bye.